Ho, 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 and welcome to the fourth annual Crafty Christmas in July by Sweet Pea Papers. Now, I'm very excited over this collaboration this month. We have it once a year, obviously, Christmas in July. You have to excuse the glare on my glasses, pretend like it's not there. And this year we have right at 20 collaborators, which is awesome. We only had 13 last year. And so we're getting bigger and bigger every year. I love that. And we've got a big drawing for you. We've got 11 designers that donated kits to the collaborators. Sorry, they're not giving away the kits to you guys. There's too many of you. And all that good stuff. So let me start out by saying that the Crafty Christmas in July runs from July 1st to July 31st of 2024. Next year will be a different year. And we're going to have a drawing on August 1st. And I'll tell you about how to get in the drawing in just one second. You're going to be doing stuff with two Facebook groups, which are my Facebook groups. One is Sweet Pea Papers, and the other one is Junk Journal Tutorials and More. All the links of everything and all that are going to be below this video. And so I don't want you to forget about Junk Journal Tutorials and More, because that gives you somewhere else to post your pictures and your videos and stuff. Plus that group over there has probably by now 6,000 members. And so you really can get your stuff seen by then. I mean by them there just as much as you can at Sweet Pea Papers, right? Okay, so let me first say thank you to the collaborators. Okay, now I know this is going to take a second, and I don't know, you can hit the snooze button or something if you don't want to know who's participating, but I really want you to know who is, because I think it's wonderful that they've taken their time to go ahead and make crafts for you for Christmas throughout the month of July. Each one of them has committed to making one video a week for you. So that's going to be about 100 videos. I'm making a 20 video tutorial on this giant Christmas lap book. I mean, it's giant. And then a Christmas quickie at the end to finish out the month. And so that's going to be 123 videos, and 124 by the time you get the flip through for the Christmas book, the big one. So that's going to give you at least 125 videos, if not more. Some people are doing more than one video or more than 4 videos, just so you know. And then you can watch and learn and enjoy from all of these videos. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yay. Okay, so here are our talented collaborators that are making the projects for you. Cara Brandon Creations, Junk Journal with Joy, NightOwlCollage, Crafty Dragon Creations, Deborah Abu Zagarit, Teresa Conway Hayes, Craft with Bella Jane, Adventures in Crafting and Art, Sweet Pea Papers, of course, Elodie's Craft Creations, Creating with Jovi, Jodi Lewis Creations, Studio 28E Journal Creations, Raccoon Alley Creations, I like that one, Raccoon Alley, My Altered Muse, Journal Gigi Hannah, Creative Paper Artisan, The Trucking Scribe, DonnaBerryArts, The Serendipitous Crafter, Crafts by Diane, Beauty and Books Company, which is Beauty and Books Co., Stacy's Crafty Jam, and that's it. So be sure to keep your eyes out for the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24. I'll say that several times throughout this video, and all of the information is going to be below the video. Every single video that I do will have a big bunch of information for you below it. So just click that more word, and it will all expand down, and you'll be able to see everything that you need to see. So I'm going to scoot this way a little bit. So that's that. Now, the 11 designers that donated kits to us to work with, I think deserve recognition, because without them, then we would not have had Christmas kits to craft with. Okay, so they are Line Dot Arrow, Cara Brandon Creations, Nonstop Paper Crafts, Crafty Dragon Creations, Natty and Moon, Studio 28E, The Trucking Scribe, Beauty and Books Co., Paper Omiya, Raindrop Lila, and Emma Parrish. So thank you very much to them. And yeah, without them, we couldn't have done it. Without the collaborators, we couldn't have done it. And so I want to give everybody a big thanks this year for jumping in and getting their little feet in the snow for Christmas in July. Okay, so now the next thing I want to talk to you about is the drawing, which is everything, what everybody wants to know about, right? Okay, so the entry time is July 1st through July 31st, 2024. Yes, I have little Christmas notes. These notes are the same notes that you're going to see at the beginning of the video. Let me get them over here. Never get that left and right correct. At the beginning of every video that I've recorded for the Christmas in July, so that you get the information. So if you don't get it this time when you hear it, don't worry about writing it down. You're going to see it 20-something times from me, and you're going to probably see some of it at the beginning of everybody else's videos. So don't worry, you'll have all the information, plus the information's below the video as well. Okay, so once again, July 1st through July 31st is the event. The drawing is going to be August 1st. And to enter the drawing, post your pics or your videos of your Christmas projects using the hashtag CraftyChristmasInJuly24 in the Sweet Pea Papers or the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook groups. Now, there are going to be other, some of the collaborators are going to have Facebook groups. I totally encourage you to post your projects there as well. However, they don't count towards the drawing. They just count towards the fun and the exposure that you get from having more people see your projects. Okay, so now, so it's going to be Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and More are where you're going to post your pics and your videos with the hashtag CraftyChristmasInJuly24 to get entered into the drawing. Now, how does that work? Well, every post you make, not every picture you do if they're all in one post, or every video you do if they're all in one, well, you can't do that, can you? But you know what I mean. So every post you make is an entry into the drawing. And I'm taking and combining, there's not two drawings, there's one great big drawing at the end of the month. There's going to be 12 great prizes. And I forgot to print that out. I was going to print it out. There are 2 Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and I'm going to combine those 2 lists and have one big drawing from one big list. Okay, so go ahead and post in both, and that'll get you 2 entries for each post. Okay, and that's it for that. So just remember to post your pictures, your Christmas pictures of your current projects. Please don't try to sneak last year's in. Because I remember every single one I do. I do. I don't remember. And get your entries in and have a chance to win. Now, we have 12, 13 prizes, maybe more, that are going to be given away in the drawing. And there's journal kits, junk journal kits. There's some free PDFs of projects, I think. And I'm giving away a couple of grab bags. One's going to be bigger than the other. Junk journal grab bags with things like stencils and inks and things like that in there. Stamps and papers, different papers and things like that. No kits, of course, because you can't do that. That's against the copyright. So don't ever print out a kit and then send it to someone, because you're not supposed to do that. Nope. Anyway, so there's going to be a two physical prizes along with the other digital prizes. And I was going to print it out so I could tell you who had donated the prizes. So I will make a post in with this video of who is donating the prizes, and that way you will know where the prizes come from, and you can go check out their Etsy shops ahead of time and pick out what you want for when you win. Okay, or I'll post it separate if I don't remember to post it with this video. It's going to be very busy on July 1st, and if I don't remember, I don't want to feel bad, so I will make sure, I'll make a note to myself and post all that information for you. So I think that's it for this video, and I'll probably check in with you a couple times during the month and see how you're doing and how much fun you're having, and hopefully we'll have lots and lots of entries. I don't mind counting you in the drawings because I think it's so much fun. I use a randomizer. I don't use one of the wheel spinny ones. I just use a regular randomizer to do my drawings, and it's an on-screen recording so of the actual drawing. And so everything is, I don't know, cheat proof. I don't know why you would think I would cheat, but anyway. So just remember the main thing is to post in Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, to post your entries in there. Use the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24, and then make sure to watch all of the collaborators videos. There's links to all the collaborators below every video of everybody. Everybody has the same list of people that they're going to list below all of their videos, so you can jump right down the list and see everybody's as they get posted. Okay, one video a week at least from everybody, and there'll probably be several, today on the 1st, and tomorrow on the 1st. And so those are the main features, and I keep going over them over and over again because I get sidetracked. So I'm going to let you go, and one more time, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.